Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the video. It has been a while, but I am back. If you guys want to know more about why I've been gone, stay until the end of the video. But we are here with a new rig. This is my new mini bike. It's a 2019, I think, Coleman RT 200. And guys, this thing is so much fun. I already have a huge build plan. We'll talk about that later. But we are coming out here to the mud flats just to go rip and have a good time. Like I just said, I do have a pretty big build plan. But before we get too far ahead of ourselves, what I've done to this thing already, I have done 3, maybe 4 major things to this already, other than doing stuff like taking off reflectors and warning labels. So first off, the big bulky headlights these things come with factory. I ripped that thing off, put this light bar on that I had laying around. I think it's like a 7 or 9 inch LED light bar off Amazon. And it was pretty plug and play, just down the positive and neutral. And now we got a light bar. Second, I did bypass the governor, so that took this thing from like 15, 20 miles an hour, all the way up to 33 is the fastest I've had it. So it's definitely not the slowest thing in the world. Now, I also did do a full routine maintenance on the engine, new oil, new air filter. I cleaned the carbon off the spark plug, oiled the chains, did stuff like that. And I did already have to replace the clutch. The previous owner had this thing for like 2 months, so it is really fresh. But I've never had one of these before, so I don't know what you can and can't do with one of these centrifugal clutches. Oh, I forgot, it did rain the other day. Oh, come on. Oh, damn it. Already laid her down. Oh, and these are brand new shoes. Mama's gonna be pissed. Oh well, it is what it is, guys. Let's see if I can't get my foot peg down. So yeah, like I was saying, I have already done a lot of stuff to this motor, and bike in general, it's been pretty fun. Really is not the best conditions for this mini bike. Hold up. Oh, dude, this thing is too much fun. But let's go ahead and try to get out of the mud and over to where we can hit some jumps. Okay, this normally isn't too bad, but that's also with us doing it on 4-wheelers. But I say we're gonna go ahead and try this little mud hole here. Okay, this is actually kind of deep for this thing. Dude, we're up to the foot pegs in water right now. All right, we're getting the shoes wet. Oh, dude, my back. Okay, that's the strap. You gotta lift up the front end and inch your way up you gotta make your way up inch by inch. Oh. All right. Oh, dude. Holy crap, we are making it through this. God, bro. We are making it through this water one way or another, ladies and gentlemen. Dude, this is not where this thing belongs. Okay, honestly, I'm kind of quits. We're gonna go up on the side. Oh yeah, come on, baby. Woo! There we are, ladies and gentlemen. This is also water right here, though. All right, we got through the water hole. That's enough water for this thing. She don't like the water, boys. Alrighty guys, that's enough off-roading this thing. If you guys care about why I haven't been on the channel or what's going on with the channel, go ahead, stay tuned. I'm gonna go to a spot where we can talk about this. If not, thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, subscribe, share this video with all your friends. Have a good day. Alrighty guys, I went ahead, went home, showered and changed, washed up the mini bike, and I also had lunch. But now I want to talk to you guys about why I haven't posted in 4 or 5 weeks. So, no, I'm not quitting YouTube. No, I'm not taking a break. The reason why it's been a while since I posted is because all my stuff has been broken. Now, what I mean by that is, obviously this thing is running fine, but the 3-wheeler, that motor swap is going good. It just needs a chain tensioner. The Fortrax 300, it blew the rear diff bearing, so not only am I rebuilding the whole rear diff, I have brakes for it, a seat cover for it, headlights are on the way, and some other little stuff. And then I do have one other 4-wheeler. It's a little Chinese Kids 110 that needs a new wiring harness, and then we can have pit wheeler videos. So all my stuff has just been out of service and non-running or not really being able to drive, which is why I bought this thing. So, thank you guys for watching. Comment, like, subscribe, share this video with all your friends. What do you think of the new mini bike? Like I said, guys, we are doing a pretty big build on it here soon. Thank you guys for listening to why I haven't been posting. Weekly videos are back, baby. Have a good day.